Yeah?
Is it autofocus?
Got it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is...
Yeah, you too. Hold on.
It's not a picture.
Take a picture.
No.
That's my camera, bro.
Not anymore.
Okay. Bye, I love you. He didn't say bye, he just hung up.
So, Suburban Tribe House vlog day.
Okay, let me put on the other action.
We're in Spider-Man's capital.
Not yet. We're not in Queens.
We're in... Who's from Long Island?
No one.
We're not drunk.
Janice?
Is there somebody named Janet? No, there's nobody named Janice.
There's definitely somebody named Janice who lives here.
Everything's one story. Lots of good shops to hop in and out.
Everything's one story. Looks like you could easily get robbed, a little broken.
Yeah.
We are not getting robbed here.
Mom's pimping back there.
Yeah.
Nah, when you see the thing I just got of you, you're gonna be like, limo, living lavish back there. Got the glasses on, double shaded up.
Man.
From one of the coldest places in California, and is wearing multiple layers.
Cause it's cold here.
I got so hot in the airport though.
Like, yeah, when I tell you, Smarty, she was like, I have so many clothes, I can't pack the jackets, so I need to wear the jackets, all of them. And then when we got to TSA, she had to take all of them off.
Biggie?
Oh yeah, Biggie got her searched.
Biggie got me searched.
Why?
Because she
I
forgot
left
to
it
take
in
it
my
out.
pocket.
And so they searched her
But
jacket and her bag.
I took my pocket off. I took my jacket off, put the jacket in the thing to go through, the x-ray. Biggie was in there, and the thing comes out, and then they ask, is this yours? Yes, that's mine. And they pick it up, and I was like, oh, Biggie! They had no clue.
They said this one, there's nothing wrong with this one.
And so then they took it to the back.
Look at those rugs.
I did see the rug.
I'm listening still,
On the way, on this other direction.
What is it like living in New York?
Easy. No problem.
These are simple questions, I think.
Genuinely, those people who are like, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. They need to take a trip around the world, babe, because there are some places where, like, we shop at Trader Joe's. Like, there are people who don't have food because it's like being bombed. Like, sometimes, okay, hot take, you know what? This is gonna get me canceled by everyone who lives in the city. New Yorkers give themselves way too much credit. I'm joking, it is a bit hard to live here, but most of why it's hard to live here is because I don't have any family here and things like that. Like, honestly, day to day is very similar in terms of difficulty as living in California. And so, like, I think it has a lot to offer, and I think it's a great place and everything, but I think when people act like living here is like its own form of trauma, and like, people in Iran should think about how hard it could be to live in New York. No one says that, but like, you realize, like, when you do say that thing, you're like, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Anywhere includes other countries, babe. Like, it's not just here and like suburban Texas. Like those, and like
suburban Texas.
Well, I mean, I'm thinking. Point is, I get kind of frustrated when people do that because, like, it's not objectively not that hard to live here.
You don't think New York is one of the hardest states to live in?
States? No. Major cities a bit, but also the city.
States in the United States?
That's the only states we have, yeah.
You would not say New York is a harder state?
New York State?
Yeah.
No. New York City, yes, but the rest of the state is like.
What states would be harder?
I'm not gonna lie, Texas.
I was about to say Alaska.
Texas,
Alaska seems like not easy state to live in.
Missouri,
Like
Mississippi.
Mom, yeah, you got me there.
Now that you mention it, I didn't think about that one.
Some of those tornado states, the places where just randomly.
nature.
If we're being real, Florida's
No,
probably.
yes, but that's what I mean, Mom, is we think hard like that. I mean, there are people with places where people are thinking they're gonna die every morning when they wake up.
No,
solely
totally.
because of where they live.
Alaska.
Yeah.
Those places, the tornado alley,
Yeah,
where
no.
you just out of nowhere your house just blows away.
That's not okay with me either.
That's not okay with me. You don't condone tornadoes ripping up people's houses.
Yeah, I'm not really about
Yeah,
that.
guys, that is not really my vibe.
Not really feeling it.
It doesn't really align with my brand, so I can't endorse that. Did you see Britney Broski release cover of Adore You?
Yeah, I hate it.
What?
I hate it. It's offbeat.
It's not offbeat, it's an interpreted version.
I know, but it's offbeat.
It's not offbeat.
You said interpretive version?
Interpreted, it's her interpreted
It's her
version.
interpretation.
Like,
That's what we call it now, I guess.
Exactly.
I'm just
Exactly.
kidding.
No.
I haven't even heard it.
No.
I'm
It's
just talking.
10,000% valid. It's not bad. It's just offbeat.
no, Mom, okay, you know what? Now we're gonna listen to it.
Yes, we should actually.
Because, Mom, you don't know what you're talking about.
I don't. That's what I just said.
Okay, so now you're the instigator. You two. Instigator,
Whoa,
co-signer.
I'm a reporter. She's an instigator.
I'm called
Credit
the
asked-
audience.
I asked
Credited with who?
No, I
Suburban
am the
Trap House.
audience.
What'd you say?
You're quite a yappative audience.
That's what happens sometimes.
Ready? Here we go.
Training, is that 89 on the right on the actual and 70 on the gotcha. Sorry, payroll and training, the blue one, looks like it changed the most from what I can see. It's really little, sorry. For material.
In your good months, you might have administrative might only be 5% or 3% of the revenue because you have so much revenue from it. And I agree with you. You look back, you look at the actual, see why that is all, but you look at the whole picture, and for me, it's not the answer.
So would that be affected if the revenue is on track at that 293 level? Wouldn't that take into altogether goes into that category, an all burden into that category? So the administrative costs are typically everything else in overhead, outside payroll and marketing and facilities. So it's everything else.
So then we're trying to figure out, all right, so what is that administrative thing that has gone up?
Right.
That we're gonna.
It wasn't any higher.
It wasn't material.
It wasn't lower.
No. It'll be good. You get to ride the train in New York City.
I know. I was gonna say I've never actually done this before. You know.
Which part? I don't want to play that one.
Keep going.
So good, if they all sub me, get them all booked, my baby boo. You either heal niggas or you kill niggas. Both is true. It takes some tough skin just to deal with.
You're gonna make fun of these shots because I'm not a videographer.
Don't exist. Flipping pages, chapter after chapter. Probably remarrying and had the baby.
It's just balls.
What? It It is New York style pizza.
That is true. I did forget that Paul's is live from New York.
You think? You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Where's the?
I have it.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Oh my gosh, yes. Will you pass this to me? Yeah.
We won't stay till 11. That's what I mean.
Okay.
I think unless we grab our jackets.
Do you want your jackets?
Calvin, should we grab jackets?
No, I'm not too crazy about having a jacket on.
Okay.
You wanna go get shots in the street while I wait for the cookies?
What?
Okay, let me show you guys really quickly. You use to get into the building. Oh yes, it just stresses me out recently. Right now? Okay.
Keto protocol entered into force.
What happened?
Mine is, oh, it tells you, mine European Football Championship is organized in Portugal. Hey!
Wait, what was it?
Look at this, Calvin.
This is mine. The European Football Championship is organized so the first European Football Championship is in Portugal.
Oh, wow.
The first time it's in Portugal.
For soccer? That football?
Only $118,080 for this one.
Say that again?
I'm not joking. Wait, where? Right here. Only $118,080.
What?
Did you guys know Spider-Man fought here?
Where?
Right in front of us.
Where though? Which part?
Directly in front of
Go
us.
ahead, find
Yes.
you guys for a second. But I'm right here. Go ahead.
He fought right there. You know who he was fighting?
Ah,
Spider-Man.
yes.
Spider-Man 2.
Remember, you mean the Amazing Spider-Man
True.
too. Tell me about this.
What was it? Asm 2? Tasm 2? That's what it is. It's Tasm 2. I don't know my nerd stuff anymore. Oh, okay. One of the things I was told to try. Is a hot dog stand.
Like that?
Yes.
You want one?
Not right now. I'm not hungry. But I just gotta remember to try a hot dog stand first.
You see this?
Yes, I'm trying not to freak people out with the fact that I have an actual camera.
No, you're good. People love
Yeah, but they're professionals.
Well, they have an actual camera as well.
I'm just a dude recording. Hold up, drip check. Drippy, drip check. Drip.
I can't get him on and walk at the same time.
That's the whole point. The whole point is you have to.
There's the internet time.
Ooh. Hold on. Which one?
This one.
That's cool. they have a different one? That one's fire. Huh?
Away from the two of us, it makes it hard.
It was scattered.
Is that actually Disney? Is that
Look,
the
Redwood is about humble.
I just took a picture.
Is that actually Disney?
What are you talking about?
Is that a Disney?
Yeah.
Can we go in there?
Yeah. But you don't want to look around?
I said that on the way up. Luigi. You see Luigi, right?
Yeah. He's one of the. Look at the guy for watching him.
Yeah.
How are you videoing?
What does it taste like?
Rich.
It's good?
Very rich.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. You should taste the cream.
Oh yeah.
Very thick. Much more thick than I thought.
Yeah.
Almost like ricotta icing.
It's ricotta?
I don't have a clue. That's what it tastes. I'm like, it's thicker. It's thicker than.
It doesn't taste like ricotta. It smells
Thicker
like
than cream.
It's definitely thicker than cream.
Ravioli. Now, okay, I don't think this is deep dish, but I'm gonna classify it as deep dish because of this. It's got too much going on to not be deep dish.
It tastes like
Okay. A lobster tail. I think it has the same.
Hold on, I need to get this. Okay.
So now I'm checking the flakiness of the pastry.
We gotta check the flakiness and crunch.
That cream's softer. Less intense.
It could look like it was. That like poured out. I swear, this is like I got two pickles, I got two pickles, I got two pickles. Hey, hey, hey.
I got two pickles. I got two pickles. I got Oh, how fun!
Do you want to be on it?
Like your camera.
Thank you.
Are you a photographer? Oh, am I interrupting?
No, no.
I mean, thanks for asking.
Just getting the day. That's all.
He's just filming me having too much fun.
Are you YouTube? Oh. I should be.
Having fun.
I love it.
For fun's sake.
You too. There's King Kong. King Kong. Okay. Spider-Man is another one. I've accomplished too many goals now. Too many goals. We're on day 2. I've accomplished almost every goal. There's Batman. Oh no, I'm screwed. I'm screwed.
Not Last of Us. What's that game we played? Story game we played, you and I. And they made it to a movie with Tom Holland.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna guess it. Can you please help me?
Uncharted?
Thank you. Doesn't it look like something out of Uncharted? Uncharted?
No, because that man would never search for Columbus.
I know, but the point is the way that the aesthetic right now is given.
Nah. Maybe the way the globe is set, where it's kind of sparkling. Yeah. The way the globe's set up,
Mom,
yeah.
you know what's so crazy? Remember when we first got here and we went to a Target and
Anne Hathaway. The Anne Hathaway?
See how much space I already have in here?
oh my gosh, guys. I need to actually delete that app. That's bad. I was supposed to be packing this whole time. Calvin, why
Yeah,
are you
I thought you were on the phone with Tristan.
I am on the phone with Tristan, but I'm also supposed to be
Okay, I
packing.
love you, but yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I'm aware. I'm aware.
That's okay. Here, I want you to take this.
Yeah.
Where's my either put it.
So obviously she admits so.
It has, it might be more, it's a bit of a like a buffet. That's style. That's cool.
So good. Mama, I'm literally a professional right now. Yeah. Walk, you walk. Yeah, I hear it. I like it.
Do we get it? This is the new series they're doing right now for the movies.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, okay, I feel like maybe to redeem everything that's been happening.
They definitely need to redeem everything. That's what they're doing. They just did the cast call for it.
Send that to me. Should I? Can we wait?
She looks.
She has so much energy. She's just like. There's
What the heck?
What is she doing next where she's on crack?